So yesterday, the last video. Hello everyone. So in the last video, we have learned some of the statistical function like sum, average, max, min. So these are the basic formulas that we learned in the last video basically. So coming on to the next functions. So today we are going to do count functions. The count function we are going to do. So, but you can see that there are that I have written here three count functions basically. So you might be thinking, okay, three count functions, like there might be a confusion. Why three count functions? Count means count, but no. These three count function has three different functions basically. By the name you know that if you see count blank means basically it will count only the number of cells which are blank. But count and count A, this is a basic difference. Now let me tell you what are the basic difference between count and count A. So count, as you can see I have written a count. It will count okay. So now you can see that I have written here two definitions of count and count A. So what does count A denotes? That it will count only those cells which has a numerical value present in it. Okay. Now you might be thinking, what does a numerical value like? Let me directly show you that how does what is this? What are the count A function basically uh, denotes? So let me write a count function. Count. Okay. So as you can see, I have written a count, and you can see there are certain numbers written over here. Okay, let me select the whole range. Let me select the whole, and when I press enter, you can see the count came as 11. Now let us calculate this manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Done. Okay, count is 11. Now let me write count A once again. Count A. Okay, and when I select the whole and I press enter, it is the same. See, here also 11 came, but as I told you that between count and count A there is a basic difference. Now I will show you what is the difference. Like suppose in this whole range, if I change any of the content, like suppose from 8, if I put a dot, okay, and I press enter, you can see the difference over there. Now you can see the difference over there. That count, the value decreased from 11 to 10, but the count value remained 11. So as per the definition, that count will calculate only those cells which is a numerical value, like 1 2 6 2 6 8 3 9 4 5. These are all numerical values, so it is present, so it is counting only those cells. But as in between the cell there is a dot, okay, so it is ignoring that. But but in case of count A, as I told, it will count all the cells irrespective of the content of the cell. Like there are 11 cells, so it is showing 11, though it is a dot is present over here. It doesn't care. It will count only those occupied cells. Basically it is a content of cell only to the occupied cells. If I delete this one, then the count A value will decrease from 11 to 10. Okay, so it will count all the cells irrespective of the content. Okay, all the occupied cells. Basically just remember that count A will count all the occupied cells, and count will count only those occupied cells which is a numerical value present in it. That is the basic difference between these. Okay, count blank, simple count blank. If I do a count blank, count blank, and when I select the whole and I press the enter, so it is showing as 1 because this is the blank. But suppose you can see I am doing certain thing, you will come to know. When I press the enter, see what happened. Now you might be thinking that though this is showing as blank, but why the count a is increase, count a value increase from 10 to 11? Because this is not blank. There is a space included in space. There is a space. Okay. Now if I suppose I press delete, see it value got the count blank value increased to 1 and count a decreased from 11 to 10. If I press a space and I press a enter, the reverse happened. So this is the way count and count blank and countf functions. Coming on to the next, there is a SUMIF function. Going on to the SUMIF, before going on to SUMIF function,